So hello everybody, how are you all? So today I am not going to put any video related to technical studies. Today we are going to explore nature. Basically I am out of station for a few days, so not putting any technical videos. Today we will explore a beautiful place. Let's see where we are. So here we are. I am in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett, the wildlife sanctuary. We are exploring the wildlife today. So here we explore a beautiful resort. So this is basically Karma Resort. This is in Sitabani, 25 feet deep inside jungles. So that was the parking area. Now we are proceeding towards the reception quickly. Wow, beautiful. Greenery, greenery, greenery everywhere. This is a beautiful property. You can visit here in Sitabani, but for staying here in the beautiful cottages, you need to be a member of this group. So basically we are member of Karma group. So here comes the entrance. After parking, the residential area. This is the reception area, and now we will explore inside. So few directions. And here is my cottage, 301. This is my cottage where I'm staying. So we will proceed and have a quick look at other cottages. So here we are having cottages from 301 onwards. My family is sleeping and I'm enjoying the beautiful morning. Oh, these are cottages. The beautiful lush green park. Worth watching the video. Watch it till the end. Something different from technical studies. Oh, the guava tree. Oh my god, this greenery is just loving inside the forest area. This is 25 feet. Oh my god, there are beautiful. See the monkeys. Oh, let me be cautious. They can come and snatch my mobile phone. So I should be a bit conscious and careful because the staff over here made us alert about these monkeys. Even they can, my few clothes are lying outside. They can take my clothes as well. But let's see. We will not go backward. We will enjoy the resort walk. Oh, lot of monkeys. Oh, here are villas as well inside the resort for the members. Oh, see the monkey with the kid. Oh, they are just enjoying their life. Oh, he's coming. I'm really afraid. This is the area. Yesterday we played badminton over here. Oh baby, please stay away. This is the gymnasium area. This is called jungle gym. The jungle gym. Almost all The machines are available here. After making this video, I will come here for some exercise. Firstly, I will be having a quick walk in the resort. Yo baby, you will not get that much greenery in any of the resort except in Goa. That is also one of the beautiful property. And this is the Three Monkeys Club of the resort. And here lot of games are there. The theater is also there. It will open around 9 a.m. Right now it's just 6:30. So peaceful. See the beautiful hills. And this is the area where kids can play. We are walking. This is the restaurant. And this is all the restaurant dining area. Here comes the area where in the evening yesterday night we enjoyed lot of music here. There were musical chair and other games, tambola and dancing and all other games were there yesterday. So that is also available. We played a lot yesterday night. So here comes again the villas for staying over here. And now let's have a quick look at the jungle also. Here is jungle. The jungle area. I have seen peacock over there. Now at that time I was not having my camera with me. Now let's see if there is peacock still available. I'm not sure. Oh. So this resort is in jungle. You can see just a fencing, small fencing, and this is the core jungle area where the animals are there, and people are taken to this jungle area for having safari rides. So in daytime we will be having a safari ride over here. These are again cottages for the families in which more than 2 members are there. These are the cottages area with this park view. Beautiful. I'm again repeating, this is a very beautiful resort. People are enjoying morning walk just like me, and few are playing outside badminton. Then basically this is the hotel unit which is given to the non-members. If you have not bought the membership of Karma, then you have to stay in that hotel unit as per their availability. But we are members, we have got that cottage. We will get the cottage as being a member. So here again you can see with these cottages the jungle area. Beautiful. Means no, there is no competition to the nature. On daily basis we are stuck in technical studies, studying everything technical, and this is really routine breaking. Oh, people are playing cricket. Few people are enjoying within the resort area. And see, when I'm making this video, people feel like some YouTuber is wandering and making the video. So I'm not that type of YouTuber or a blogger. I am just a teacher who teaches subjects of computer science engineering, and I have came here to enjoy the life. I enjoy the life also. So people are playing cricket. Let's go to the other corners of the resort. See, my family is still sleeping, and there are many more people who are enjoying their walks. Let's go inside the park. Here comes the pool area and the spa area. I don't know swimming, but my son knows a bit. And yesterday I tried, but I was afraid of that I will die. So you can take a chill pill over here. This is the pool area. Beautiful pool. And see, he is going to change the entire water of the pool, going to clean. So very much health conscious people can also take a bath in this pool. So I have shown you so many places inside the resort. I may or may not be uploading any video, I'm not sure, because now I got time to shoot this video because everyone was sleeping inside my family, and so I could take this, otherwise I'm enjoying with them. Really greenery, too much greenery, beautiful nature. So if you are still not a member, there is nothing like that you cannot visit, but you can stay in the hotel units. They sometimes provide hotel units, but not always. Means if any of my guest travels over here, being a member, if anybody in any of my guest wants to come here, that guest has to stay in that hotel unit. But if you are a member, you can stay in these cottages. So let's walk back to my room. Beautiful sunrise. So I'm going back to my cottage.